make me feel guilty.
I'm not trying to make you feel guilty.
But you are.
I'm sorry.
You tell me, you know.
That's my girl. Fart some more. Oh, God, honey.
Stop it!
Honey. Honey. You got gas. Maybe you need to go to the bathroom.
I hate you.
What?
I fucking hate you.
I can't hear you. Say it loud. Say it proud.
I fucking hate you! Charlie, stop it!
God, you got gas. Oh, God, you got gas. Those Rottweilers ain't got nothing on you.
Charlie!
That's you. That's not me.
Charlie, that's very uncouth.
I know it is. And for a lady like you, it's just hilarious. God, honey.